Gadgets are always an important part of our daily life. We use gadgets in daily life for temporary and permanent use. These gadgets make a great impact in our society and make our daily life simple. Like this, we will show you some of the cool 7 gadgets for your knowing purpose. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. So welcome to Mystery Gadgets, and we show you cool gadgets. The first gadget of the video is Sidekicksai holographic AI companions. Add a fun new friend to your life with the Sidekicksai holographic AI companions. Living in holographic displays, these emotional characters respond to your voice, have smarts, and truly want to help humans. Giving AI a friendlier face and breathing life into smart characters, they are sure to revolutionize education. Additionally, dubbed Alfred, this holograph can wake you up, tell the robot vacuum to start, and much more. The second gadget is Yuki 3D printed air conditioner. Step into the future with the Yuki 3D printed air conditioner. With an open source, 3D printed design, this futuristic gadget uses sustainable materials. In fact, it requires extremely low energy consumption, and it also consists of biodegradable materials made from renewable resources. So you can feel good about this eco-friendly choice. Rather than cooling an entire room, use this personal AC to cool down the area immediately around you. Simply feed Yuki with ice by filling and freezing its special aluminum jar or a bottle of any size. Made with only the most essential parts, it consists of a USB fan that offers quiet yet powerful performance. Much more than just a personal air conditioner, Yuki is truly a step toward a sustainable future. The third gadget is Evolv Skateboard's Hadrian Series Performance E-Skateboard. Get an electric skateboard you love with the Evolv Skateboard's Hadrian Series Performance E-Skateboards. These cool skateboards have a layered electric system that gives you 37% more battery capacity and 4 times the performance of its predecessor. What's more, with its handmade, forged carbon chassis skateboard deck, this skateboard is durable. Additionally, forged aluminum gets CNC'd to create 2 channels for heat dissipation. And you get a whole new level of control with the E-Fork. It changes the game on managing the dual 3000 watt motors and 12. The fourth gadget is Space Safe 2 Smart Safe. The Space Safe 2 Smart Safe features hidden cameras, instant notifications, biometric fingerprint readers, motion and temperature sensors, and more. All this makes it about as secure as a vault at a bank. It's practically impermeable, will detect if someone tries to break in, and instantly notifies you with images and video of the perpetrator in real time. If you don't recognize them, two-way talk allows for you to speak and hear, easily lock down your safe, and notify 911 all within the app. The next gadget is Ecobee 3 Lite Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat. Unlock energy savings every year with the Ecobee 3 Lite Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat by automatically heating or cooling your home when electricity is cheaper and cleaner. Impressively, it'll even learn your routine and recommend changes to the thermostat based on your schedule. Moreover, the Ecobee 3 Lite comes with a range of smart features. For example, it'll use your air conditioner to lower the indoor humidity without requiring a separate dehumidifier. Also, use the smart home and away mode where this thermostat will automatically adjust the temperature when you leave home. The sixth gadget is Cafe Appliances Specialty Drips Mate Coffee Maker. Enjoy drip coffee from a stunning design with the Cafe Appliances Specialty Drips Mate Coffee Maker. This smart coffee machine has built-in Wi-Fi that lets it work with the Smart HQ app, Alexa, and Google. You also get voice-to-brew controls. What's more, this coffee gadget is certified by the Specialty Coffee Association's rigorous testing standards. Additionally, the 10-cup capacity lets you serve a group. The last gadget of the video is Evolv Weather Climate Monitoring Device. Incorporate the Evolv Weather Climate Monitoring Device into your daily life to track the weather, temperature, and humidity outdoors without having to leave your home. This useful gadget lets you see the weather at a glance, on your iPhone or via the display, and supports Thread technology. Evolv Weather automatically analyzes the barometric pressure changes to provide you with a 12-hour weather trend. This way, you'll always know what to wear and where to visit based on its accurate forecast. We had showed you some of the cool gadgets in this video. We believe that you liked this video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. So we Mystery Gadgets signing off. Thank you.